Power on, earth voltage, okay, 20 ohm. LED on, goes to 0 ohm, okay. 200 ohm, 2000 ohm, all are working properly. Job is completed.